Want to take control of your money without installing any complicated software? Today, we're building a fully functional budget app in Apple Numbers, live on Mac Numbers app. You'll learn to track income, expenses, and even get automatic totals, all step by step. No prior experience required, and I'll show you every click, menu, and formula. Start by opening Numbers from your dock or the Applications folder. When it loads, choose New Document. Pick the blank template. You now have a clean sheet ready to become your budget app. At the top of the window, click the document title. Rename it to My Budget App. Numbers saves automatically to iCloud if it's enabled, so your budget stays synced across devices. If the sidebar isn't visible on the right, turn it on. This is where you'll access formatting options. We'll use it for most of the build. Click the first row and type your column titles. Date, category, description, income, expense, balance. This becomes the backbone of your app. Select the header row, make the text bold. Give the background a light color to separate it from the rest of the sheet. It keeps things easy to read. Resize the columns so everything fits comfortably. Make description wider. Give income, expense, and balance enough room for numbers. Now start adding sample data. In row 2, add a date. Set the category to salary. Add an income amount. Leave the expense column empty for this row. In the next row, add another date. Set the category to food. Add a short description if you want. Enter an amount in the expense column. Leave the income column blank for this one. Add a few more sample rows, a mix of income and expenses. This helps you see the formulas update once we add them. Click the first balance cell. Type the formula income minus expense. In Numbers, that becomes D2 minus E2. That calculates the balance for that row. Use the fill handle to drag the formula down. Each row now shows how that entry affects your money. Now let's build your category summary. Add a new table. Place it next to your main budget. Use 3 columns. Category, total expense, total income. Delete any extra rows or columns so the table stays compact. In the first total expense cell, enter equals sum if formula. Category column. Match the category in the first cell of the summary table. And total the expense column. Numbers handles expanding ranges automatically. It also ignores case differences, so categories match even if you type them differently. Do the same for income. Equals sum if. Match the category cell and total the income column. Copy both formulas down for each category you add. Format the summary table so it's easy to read. Add light background colors. Bold the header row. Turn on borders if you want a clean grid. Now let's add some interactive features. Select the category column in your main table. Open the cell section. Choose Pop-up Menu. Add your categories: salary, food, rent, travel, bills, entertainment, miscellaneous. Numbers may also suggest categories automatically based on repeated entries. Select the expense column. Open conditional highlighting. Create a rule for greater than 0. You can add a green rule for income if you want. Now it's time to test your app. Add a fresh income entry. Watch the balance update. Add an expense. Make sure the balance and the category summary change immediately. This confirms everything is working as expected. Testing early helps prevent problems later. Let's recap what you built today. You opened Numbers and started from a blank sheet. You added the main headers. You entered sample income and expenses. You created automatic balance calculations. You built a category summary using SUMIF. You added pop-up menus, conditional formatting, and a running balance. And now you have a complete budget app that updates itself. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another numbers tutorial. Tell me in the comments what you want next. Maybe a personal finance tracker or a full project planner.